Find or read reviews that people are talking about MOMOKOVA Swamp Cooler. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 3-in-1 Evaporative Air Cooler. This 3-in-1 evaporative air cooler works as a fan, humidifier, and swamp cooler in one unit. It's designed for hot, dry climates where traditional fans fall short. Whether you want light airflow or stronger cooling, it adjusts easily to keep your space comfortable throughout the summer. 3300 CFM Ultra-Wide Coverage. Boasting a massive 3000 CFM output, this swamp cooler is engineered to tackle heat in areas up to 1,450 square feet. It's the professional choice for large-scale cooling, whether you're keeping a busy garage comfortable, cooling a commercial warehouse, or hosting an outdoor event on a spacious patio. High-capacity 10-gal water tank. Equipped with a 10-gallon large water tank, this evaporative cooler provides extended operation hours, minimizing the need for frequent refills. The 120 degrees automatic oscillation ensures consistent, wide-angle airflow, effectively eliminating hot spots and delivering comfort to every corner of your space. Space-saving foldable design, combining power with practicality, our unique foldable frame solves the storage dilemma of traditional bulky coolers. After the season ends, the evaporative air cooler collapses into a compact form for easy storage in garages or closets. Built-in 360 degrees universal swivel casters allow for effortless portability between indoor and outdoor settings. Smart and effortless control. Enjoy dual convenience with electronic panel and remote control. Customize cooling with 3-speed airflow and 12-hour timer. 4 smooth rolling casters enable effortless mobility across living rooms, patios, garages, or gardens. Quiet and versatile, 60 decibels for any setting. Enjoy powerful cooling at under 60 decibels, making it quiet enough for offices and indoor spaces without distraction. Built for durability, it excels in rugged environments like garages, workshops, and factories, as well as outdoor patios. Whether it's professional or personal use, this unit adapts seamlessly to your surroundings. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.